Hello, this is Mr. Yash Panchal. Right now I am studying in 10th standard and preparing for my SSC exam. First of all, I would like to thank Mahendra sir who has given me an opportunity to share my experience with you. So let me share my experience with you that when I came in Ayushi Institute, I didn't know that I can speak English like this. How I am speaking English right now, I didn't know that I will be able to speak English like this. And when I came here, actually at that time it was a lockdown. Then I thought that let me do a course, coaching class. Then I visited here and by Google Map, and I came here, and at that time Wrinkle ma'am was here and she gave me an introduction of this institute, and she told me an importance of English. At that time I realized that and English, if I can speak Hindi, I can speak in all over India, but if I can speak English, so I can speak in all over the world. And after that Wrinkle ma'am told me you can come, you can join from tomorrow. And then I came Monday here, and Urvashi ma'am took my first lecture. When it was my first lecture, I thought that it's very hard, English is very hard, but when she continued teaching me English, then I realized that English is the easiest language, but we just have to support. Usually I have heard that if we put our first step, then every step is very easy. Then after that Mahendra sir came and she took our lecture, and at that time when Mahendra sir took my lecture, I revised my first lecture, and I realized that I can speak English and I will be able to speak English like a foreigner. And at that time I was very excited that I will be speaking English to a foreigner, to a big businessman or etc. Yeah. And about the teachers of this institute, so every teacher supported me all the times, and Rinka ma'am, Dharti ma'am, Urvashi ma'am and Mahendra sir, these four teachers has taught me English very nicely. And but let me tell you that Mahendra sir is the best one, because his teaching style is different than others. It is completely different than others. When Mahendra sir teaches me, I think that actually his teaching style is really different, but when he teaches me, I think that he comes in my mind, he puts a lot of knowledge of English and lot of knowledge of personality development also, and gets out. And I think that this knowledge is will never be destroyed, because Mahendra sir taught me just once, and fortunately I used to get everything what he teaches us, what he taught us in just one time. I cannot tell you his teaching style in my words, because his teaching style is completely different, and I'm telling you again and again, because he is really different than everyone. And he is not a good English teacher, but he is really an personality development teacher also. When I came here, I didn't learn English only, but I learned my personality also. And Mahendra sir always increased my confidence, and today I am in front of you just because of him.